What's up, y'all? I gotta take a little break from my boat today to finish off an engine lid I did a bunch of work on a buddy's firefish mini snapper, 14 footer. That thing got a lot of work done, and yeah, that boat is gonna be insane. Anyway, this is his engine lid, and yeah, it formed up really nice. To do a couple little tweaks and shave off a little bit of material, but yeah, that's where she's sitting. I got her anchored down so she ain't gonna move on me. And once again, every welding surface gets wire wheeled with a stainless steel wire wheel, and inside and out I will be fully seam welding the outside and stitching the inside. Okay, and the back just has two little triangles, and those get welded in, stitched on the inside. Let's go! Hey there. So, engine lid turned out amazing. As usual, my guy that does all my forming for me is really freaking good at it. So, here we go. Without further ado, the owner wanted all smooth joints. I guess he will be painting this boat shortly, so yeah, there she be. And this is going to be covering the 2022 Sea-Doo 300 RXTX engine. So, like I said, any open corners, I always weld the open corners first, and then so I do that one, then I would do this one, I would do all the outsides there, and then you want to do insides. If you do insides first, there's a good chance this metal is going to pull inward. That helps a little. Welding outside doesn't pull too much, and it actually adds structure to it before you would weld the inside, even though I only stitched all the insides. But you get the idea. There was a little mistake. Instead of, when my guy formed it, he was supposed to cut this line so that he could break this up. Well, he went off the wrong line and ended up starting to cut here, so I had to just weld over that, blend it. I still got to take a finer grit and just go over that nicely, and then she's all done. That is it. That is all. Peace. Stay tuned for the next one. I got a big handrail job coming up here. Those are all my uprights. Might actually film a little bit of this. The tops of all these handrails will have a stub 2-inch stub. And then it's also got to be welded to these laser cut washers. They're only like 16 gauge, so I may have to make something for underneath so that I can back purge the other side. I'm gonna just basically fusion weld the inside here, just that top. And then what happened with stainless is the backside will sugar. It'll basically burn out all the chromium in it. Well, it's not being shielded by gas. So both sides, because this is so thin, both sides should be shielded with gas. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it without shielding the other side. So it is a pretty tight fit, but see, there is a bit of a gap. That gap is what is going to allow that sugaring to really happen on the other side. So I'm going to have to do something about shielding this bottom side while I weld those on. So maybe stay tuned for that one. All I planned on doing was YouTubing this boat build, but I don't know, comments are really uplifting and whatnot, and I'm pretty sure I can help a lot of people out with little tricks here and there with welding. So yeah, may as well keep going, right? Okay, talk to you later. Bye.